Considering the wide adoption of e-learning, right from the education to the corporate sector, I think VR, social and gamification based learning will be in high demand in 2018. This will be a great move as it will help everyone from school teachers to L&D heads in delivering learning that's engaging and effective at the same time. And to the learners, it would mean motivation, retention and better application of the knowledge gained.
Game-based and social learning have been around for a few years now, but they have been more of a buzzword in the learning industry rather than being used to their true potential by the L&D teams. I believe 2018 would be the year where we would see a deeper implementation and engagement using these technologies. As the L&D team realizes their importance to training, they would choose to overhaul its training approach.
First is app-based learning. Today, apps rule us, be it travel, food, cinema tickets, stock market, fitness tracking or yoga. There's an app for every possible task. In such a scenario, it is expected that a major chunk of workplace learning moves fully to smartphones and tablets. LMS will continue to exist, but the mobile learning ecosystem will keep growing. Second is video-based learning. In sync with the app-based learning, many organizations are creating video-based learning nuggets that employees access via mobile devices. YouTube is becoming a go-to resource to learn by seeing how things are done. To say the least, video-based learning has a great future in 2018. Third is adaptive learning. Providing a personal tool for learning for an individual can be helpful, as one can study at his or her own pace, investing sufficient time for the topic which he or she finds difficult and less time for a topic which he or she finds confident in. This will create a unique opportunity for learners to adapt education to their specific goals.
This year we'll see improvised use of technology-enabled learning in 4 key areas. The use of artificial intelligence in training. Data conversions, where data which is present in PDF presentation form to SCORM. What you see is what you get GUIs. Interactive GUIs which will change as per person's needs and day. And the most important, data for analytics. It is going to be a major year where training data for conversions and analytics will play a vital role. This is as far as training providers are concerned. For HR managers, in particular, the analytics is the users, that is the employees' training data, will change the perspective of employee engagement and make it more fulfilling and engaging.
On a higher level, the key trends dominating the LearnTech landscape in 2018 will be, first up, the drive towards digital, wherein not just the systems and tools, but the thinking and learning-centric functions like HR and L&D too will be undergoing digitization. Second, future-proofing employees. To ensure that AI and other technologies don't make the current job scenario obsolete, it will be important to embed continuous learning as a key part of an organization's functioning. Last but not the least, power to the people. Informal and social tools will take center stage with employees using them as the preferred channels of communication inside and outside the workplaces too.
The top 3 trends for learning technology in 2018 for me would be number 1, mobile learning or learning for mobile devices. There's a lot of gaps still around in terms of what is expected and what is being delivered on mobile devices. But yes, the gap is closing in, so that's good for the industry. The number 2 would be smarter and AI-driven learner experience and learner analytics, which will help learning functions. And I think for me, the third would be, which is linked to mobile learning, will be micro learning, able to deliver short micro learning pieces for both performance support and just-in-time learning. That's it.